Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into admin. Google.com as a super admin, this is essential. Once signed in, export critical data, Drive, Gmail, contacts, and any Vault archives so you won't lose records. Make sure billing is visible. Note renewal dates and cancel subscriptions where appropriate. This prevents surprise charges after deletion. Also verify domain ownership at your registrar and keep those credentials handy. After these items are done, proceed to the admin console's account settings to begin the deletion flow. You now cancel any active Google Workspace subscriptions under billing to prevent ongoing charges. Once canceled, head to Account Settings and choose Delete Account. Read each confirmation carefully because deletions are irreversible. Next, transfer or remove domains. If you plan to reuse a domain elsewhere, release it at the registrar after removal here. Make sure every user account and organizational unit is either deleted or reassigned. Leaving active users can block final steps. Keep an eye on the console messages, follow any flagged actions before continuing. You finish by confirming the deletion and accepting the final warnings in the admin console. This finalizes the workspace removal. Once completed, verify DNS records and email forwarding at your registrar to ensure the domain is clean and ready for other uses. If something blocks completion, rerun the console checks for unresolved users, subscriptions, or domain attachments. As a troubleshooting tip, if deletion fails, check for lingering billing accounts or delegated admin roles. Then contact support and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.